IVM.
Namaskar, my name is Ashish Vidyarthi and good to see you here, dear friend, on Begin the Journey. How's your hunger? That's right, how is your hunger? I love hunger. You know what? Something interesting about hunger is that it makes you do things on your own. It's a very personal thing. It's something which is visceral. It kind of drives you. Over the years, we do a lot of things for others. We do things to get marks. We do things to be popular. We even do things to impress others. But hunger is something which is very, very personal. Hunger is, for me, a personal drive. I create hunger ongoingly for myself. An interesting thing about hunger is that I'm then pursuing that which I'm hungry for, even when no one is looking. Over the years, as an actor, as I've looked at various opportunities, I've also seen that, you know what, I really want that thing. It's like I want it. I have connected that want to my hunger. It is not that, yaar, you have done so much work. What is the point in asking for it? What is the point in going for it? Well, I can replace that with, I don't know whether if I've done it before or not, but I now want to do it. This is my hunger now. That hunger has also helped me as I've transitioned to another part of my career, which is speaking and conducting workshops for organizations. As I came here, I realized that my old way of being an actor, the identity of being an actor won't help here. It will help to an extent, but then I should have the hunger to actually improve myself, because this is a whole new realm. I am inviting you, dear friend, inviting you to cause hunger even amidst abundance. Yes, you have a lot of things. Yes, you logically should not be feeling hungry because you have those things, but yet create that hunger. Create a separation between what you have and what you really want. And as you get that, you will be connected to a unique drive which will drive you day in, day out, and you won't need anyone else to monitor you. I would love to hear your thoughts as you nurture your hunger, what I call bhuk. I would love to hear your thoughts. What are the results you can create for yourself in your passion if you have the hunger to create something unique? Al Shukran Bandhu, Al Shukran Zindagi. Stay hungry and create something amazing in your life. See you the next time on Begin the Journey.
I hope you enjoyed that show. I'd like to thank our sponsors this week, Intel, for supporting us. Great week on the network. If you haven't been listening, why haven't you been listening? You should be listening. Rohan Joshi was on Uncle Please Sit, discussed the toxicity of the Indian pop culture. Really fun conversation to listen to. Rajiv Samant, the founder of Sula Wines, was on Cyrus Says. Again, I think that was a fun conversation. Also want to call out the season finale of Yuddha. Yuddha is our military history podcast. Definitely do check that out. It's a really great listen. And finally, I want to just remind you all that, it's a dark time, but if you need a smile, go check out the Smile India podcast by Shifa Mehta. It's in both English and Hindi, and I think that you will really enjoy the kinds of things that she's talking about there. And with that, I hope to see you again next week.
Remember the last vacation you took? What about the one you took 3 years ago? Okay, how much do you really remember? It's a question I've asked myself often over a decade of traveling the world. Hey, I'm Utsav, and I do not travel the world for a living. I have a full-time job and responsibilities, but I have made traveling the world a priority. Priority enough that I negotiate extra leave in my job contracts, obsessively track my frequent flyer miles, and I'm willing to take off at the sight of a cheap ticket. Yes, I am cheap. I have lived and worked in 3 countries. I understand human behavior for a living, and these experiences have given me unique insights into places, people, and culture. With over a decade of travel behind me, I increasingly realized one thing, that we cannot see everything. So whatever we see, we must see deeply. Because as the film of memory decays, the imprints which will stand the test of time are the ones felt by the immersion of the senses. not by fleeting encounters with them. Postcards from Nowhere is an immersion into the world of slow travel, one story at a time. Tune in every Thursday on the IVM Podcasts app, website, or wherever you get your podcast from.